Hey everyone, welcome back to English Conversation Hub. Today, I'm trying a new way of teaching English, and I want to know what you think. First, you'll watch a short video. This helps improve your listening skills. Then, I'll turn the idea from the video into a simple conversation between two friends using the same words and phrases. And finally, I'll explain the important vocabulary. If you like this style, let me know in the comments so I can continue teaching this way. All right, let's begin. If you're taking debt just to look rich, stop, because the people you're trying to impress aren't the ones paying your EMIs. A new phone, branded clothes, fancy dinners, they look good on Instagram but feel terrible when the bill hits. Don't borrow money to pretend you have money. Real wealth isn't about showing off, it's about control, peace of mind, and freedom from stress. Use your money wisely. Buy what you need, save before you spend, invest before you upgrade, and never let temporary flex create permanent financial pressure. Looking rich is expensive, but being smart is priceless. And here's the real truth. Most people who look rich are drowning quietly. They're surviving on credit cards, EMIs, and loans just to maintain an image nobody truly cares about. Because once the post gets a like, people scroll, but you stay behind dealing with the consequences. Instead of chasing approval, chase stability. Instead of buying things to impress others, build habits that improve your future. Stop comparing your life to someone else's highlight reel. You don't know their debt, their stress, or their sacrifices. Focus on your own lane. Build savings, build discipline, build assets, not appearances. Because in the long run, it's not the people who look rich that win. It's the people who stay patient, stay smart, and stay consistent. The ones who choose long-term peace over short-term showing off. So today, choose to be financially wise. Choose growth, not glitter. Choose freedom, not flex. Your bank balance will thank you. Your future self will thank you even more.
Won't believe this. One of my friends took debt just to look rich. Seriously? People really borrow money just to pretend they have money? Yeah, he bought a new phone, branded clothes, and even went for fancy dinners. Instagram life looks good until the bill hits in real life. Exactly, I told him. Don't borrow money to pretend you have money. True. Real wealth isn't about showing off. It's about control and peace of mind. And honestly, most people who look rich are actually drowning quietly. I know. They survive on credit cards, EMIs, and loans just to maintain an image nobody truly cares about. That's the thing. People scroll after the like, but he stays behind dealing with the consequences. Yup. Instead of chasing approval, people should chase stability. Exactly. Everyone compares their life to someone else's highlight reel, and they don't know the debt, the stress, or the sacrifices behind that rich-looking life. I've decided. No more temporary flex for me. Same here. Long-term peace is better than short-term showing off. From now on, I'm choosing to be financially wise. Good choice. Choose growth, not glitter. Choose freedom, not flex. Bro, your future self will thank you. And your bank balance will thank you first.
Now I'll share the vocabulary on screen. You can read it at your own pace. I won't be dictating anything. Just pause the video whenever you need and learn comfortably. If you enjoyed this style of learning, where we watch a video, understand the idea, learn through a conversation, and then review vocabulary, let me know in the comments. Your feedback will help me decide if I should continue making more videos in this format. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to English Conversation Hub for more simple, practical, and real-life English learning videos.